Shannon Preston, 6'3" black belt and known as the Cyber Sensei. Behind me is my Cyber Sensei family. For over 30 years, I've been teaching families, children, teens, and adults, and people just like you. And now you get to train right in the comfort of your own home, as much as you want, wherever you want, and as often as you want, with our complete online martial arts video curriculum. In this video, we're going to learn how to use your basics being offensive using step slides. So make sure you have lots of room to train, your uniform on, and you're ready to get started. Are you guys ready to get started?
Yes, Sensei!
Are you guys ready to get started?
Yes, Sensei!
One more time, are you ready?
Yes, Sensei!
Are you ready?
Yes, Sensei!
Okay, make sure you put the coffee table to the side, you move the couches back, or you have lots of room to train, because let's get started. Here we go. Ready? The first thing we're going to do is work on your life skill. Remember, your life skills are really important, and the life skill at white belt is good discipline. Everybody say good discipline.
Good discipline!
You guys out there, help me out. Say it with me. Everybody say good discipline.
Good discipline!
Stick your finger out like this. Everybody say do it the first time.
Do it the first time!
All right, out there, stick one finger out. Do it loud. Everybody say do it the first time.
Do it the first time!
It doesn't matter whether you're a child or an adult, it's really important as a martial artist to make sure you're always doing things the first time. Nobody wants to have to ask you 27 times to do something, so if you want to be a black belt, we need to learn doing things the first time. So next I have a question for you. What if you had an attacker that was too far away and you couldn't protect yourself? What we're going to learn how to do is our step slides. All right, so Tristan, you going to come out here and help me out?
Yes, sir.
All right, so guards up. All right, so what I want everyone to do is point at Tristan and everybody say bad guy.
Bad guy!
Point at me, say good guy.
Good guy!
All right, you guys out there, point at my helper right here. Everybody point at him super loud. Say bad guy.
Bad guy!
Point at me, say good guy.
Good guy!
All right, point at me one more time. Say good looking good guy.
Good looking good guy!
All right, so I'm the good looking good guy right here, and we have a bad guy right here. All right, and let's say I'm going to try to get the bad guy. All right, so if I'm going to try and get the bad guy and I step forward to try to punch him, he's going to see my stomach, and it's called the hit me stance. Remember from the last lesson, hit me stance. So if he sees my stomach, he's going to punch it. Ready? Punch me in the belly? Oh, good. All right, here we go. Again, I'm going to go a little faster. Here we go. I'm going to walk forward. I'm going to try and get him. Ready? Go. Oh, good. All right, okay, I'm going to go faster. Ha! Oh, man. All right, try to scare him that time. Here we go. Ha! Oh, man. All right. So that's not working. And the reason being is every time I move forward to try to get the attacker, as I step forward, that momentarily puts me in the hit me stance, and my opponent's going to punch me in the stomach. So I need to do something different. So what we're going to do is called a step slide. Remember, your hit me stance is showing the belly. The guarding stance is keeping your body sideways. So my guards are up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my front foot and I'm going to step forward with the front foot, keeping my stomach sideways. I'm going to take my back foot and slide it up. So now I'm closer in that same guarding stance. Now I'm close enough, pow, to get my bad guy over here, and he can't get me, all right? So I'm going to try it again. I'm going to step, slide. He can't see my stomach. You know, he's a little scared right now. He's a little jumpy, all right? Pow, I'm going to get him, and he can't get me, all right? So what we're going to do is we're all going to work on that together. Give me 5. Everybody give him a big hand. Good job. All right, here we go. Let's do it. Show me class attention. Bow courtesy, all right? Right leg back behind you in a guarding stance, loud jaw high. First, we're just going to work on the step. So as everybody take your front foot, remember to keep your belly sideways. Don't let the opponent see your stomach. Correct. Keep that belly sideways. Take your front foot and step out, and everybody say step.
Step!
Go bring it back, say back.
Back!
Try it again, say step.
Step!
And bring it back, say back.
Back!
One more time, say step.
Step!
Whoa, Jaden was a little faster. We're going to go back, say back.
Step!
Ready, step.
Step!
You noticed everyone tried a little faster that time. Nobody wanted Jaden to beat him that time. Go back, say back.
Back!
Everybody together. Here we go. Try it again. Say step.
Step!
And back.
Back!
One last time. Show me step.
Step!
Now we're going to take the back foot and we're going to slide it up, keeping that belly sideways. Everybody say slide.
Slide!
Again, ready? Say step.
Step!
Take the back foot, slide it up, say slide.
Slide!
One more time, say step.
Step!
And slide.
Slide!
Hustle back, let's try it again. Alright, guards up, right leg back, guarding stance, loud jaw high. Everybody say step slide.
Step slide!
Again, step slide.
Step slide!
And step slide.
Step slide!
And hustle back. Now we're going to add our basics into it, meaning we're going to add the front punch, the back punch, and the front kick. First, we're going to add the front punch in there. And again, this is going to be beginner style. There's a beginner style, and then there's an advanced style. Advanced style we'll go over a little bit later. All right, here we go. Guards up, right on the back, loud, high. All right, take your front foot. Everybody say step.
Step!
Take your back foot, slide, say slide.
Slide!
Now show me the front punch, loud, high. Again, it's opposite to you guys. We're all punching with our left hand right now. All right? So make sure that you guys are punching with the correct hand. Everybody take your front foot. Again, say step.
Step.
Slide.
Slide.
Front punch. Hiya.
Hiya.
Say step slide.
Step slide.
Front punch. Hiya.
Hiya.
Muscle back. Ready to go? Yes, sir?
Yes, Sensei.
All right, here we go. A little bit faster. You guys ready to go faster?
Yes, Sensei.
Are you guys ready to go faster?
Yes, Sensei.
Are you guys ready to go faster?
Yes, Sensei.
All right, make sure you're not sitting down on the couch. Make sure you guys are up, and we're training to your black belt. Let's go. Here we go. Ready, guards up. Ready, everybody say step slide.
Step slide.
Front punch.
Hiya.
Step slide.
Step slide.
Front punch.
Hiya.
Step slide.
Step slide.
Front punch.
Hiya.
Muscle back. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, here we go. Now we're going to be adding in the back punch. Remember, the back punch has the twist. Are you guys ready? Yes, Sensei.
Yes, Sensei.
Here we go. Right leg back. Loud down. Hiya.
Hiya.
All right, here we go. Take the back punch. Here we go. The back foot. We're going to twist it. Everybody say out.
Out.
And say back.
Back.
Again, say out.
Out.
And back.
Back.
All right, now let's add the step slide. Everybody say step slide.
Step slide.
Show me the back punch of the twist. Hiya.
Hiya.
Make sure that left elbow is in nice and tight in the ribs. Everybody say step slide.
Step slide.
Back punch. Hiya.
Hiya.
Ready, step slide.
Step slide.
Back punch. Hiya.
Hiya.
Muscle back. Yes, Sensei.
Yes, Sensei.
All right, a little faster. Are you guys ready to go faster?
Yes, Sensei.
Are you guys ready to go faster?
Yes, Sensei.
Are you guys ready to go faster?
Yes, Sensei.
Let's do it. Here we go. Right leg back. Guarding says loud down. Hiya.
Hiya.
Everybody say step slide.
Step slide.
Back punch. Hiya.
Hiya.
Step slide.
Step slide.
Back punch. Hiya.
Hiya.
Step slide.
Step slide.
Back punch. Hiya.
Hiya.
Muscle back. Ready to go? Yes, Sensei.
Yes, Sensei.
All right. Now we're going to be doing the front kick. Are you guys ready to do the front kick?
Yes, Sensei.
Are you guys ready to do the front kick?
Yes, Sensei.
I can't hear you. Are you guys ready?
Yes, Sensei.
All right, here we go. Make sure we fold and refold that front leg. Again, make sure we fold and refold that front leg on the kick. Here we go. Ready? Let's just do the kick first. Show me knee up and out and back. And then shoulder. All right, good. Here we go. Now let's add the step side. Everybody say step.
Step.
Slide.
Slide.
Front kick. Hiya.
Hiya.
Step. Slide. Front kick. Hiya.
Hiya.
Step slide.
Step.
Front kick. Hiya.
Hiya.
Muscle back. Yes, Sensei.
Yes, Sensei.
All right, you guys ready to go faster?
Yes,
You
Sensei.
guys ready to go faster?
Yes, Sensei.
Go. Let's go a little quicker. Show me step slide.
Step slide.
Front kick.
Hiya.
Step slide.
Step slide.
Front kick.
Hiya.
Step slide.
Step slide.
Front kick. Hiya.
Hiya.
Muscle back. Yes, Sensei.
Yes, Sensei.
All right. Now we've done that side. Now we're going to do the switch side. Remember from lesson number 1, we worked on the switches. So now we're going to do the switch side. All right, so take your right leg, put it forward. Loud yell, hiya!
Hiya.
Right leg's in front. All right, let's just work the step and the slide first. Take the front foot. Everybody say step.
Step.
Bring it back to the back.
Back.
Say step.
Step.
And back.
Back.
And step.
Step.
And back.
Back.
Now we're going to add the slide. All right, let's add the slide. Show me step.
Step.
And take the back foot, slide up, say slide. Say step.
Step.
Slide.
Slide.
Step.
Step.
Slide. Step.
Step.
Slide. Nice. How's the back? Yes, Sensei?
Yes, Sensei.
All right. One more time. Let's go a little fast. You guys ready to go faster?
Yes, Sensei.
Everybody say step slide.
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 Hustle back. Yes, Sensei?
Yes, Sensei.
Let's add your punches in there. You guys ready to add the front punch?
Yes, Sensei.
You guys ready to add the front punch?
Yes,
All right,
Sensei.
let's do it. Here we go. The right leg should be in front right now, and we're punching with the right hand. That's your front punch. Guards up. Here we go. Everybody show me. Say step slide.
Step slide.
Show me the front punch. Ha!
Hiya.
Step slide.
Step slide.
Front punch.
Hiya.
Step slide.
Step slide.
Front punch.
Hiya.
Step slide.
Step slide.
Front punch. Ha!
Hiya.
Let's go back. Yes, Sensei?
Yes, Sensei.
All right, let's go fast. You guys ready to go faster?
Yes, Sensei.
All right, let's do it faster. Ready? Step slide punch. Ha!
Hiya.
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 Awesome. Hustle back. Yes, Sensei?
Yes, Sensei.
All right. Right leg should be in the front. Now we're going to add our back punch into it. Are you guys ready to add the back punch in? Everybody say yes, Sensei?
Yes, Sensei.
Remember to twist on that back foot twist. The right elbow is going to be a nice and tight. Guard up. Here we go. Let's do the practice back punch. Everybody say out and twist.
Out and twist.
And back.
Back.
One more time. Say out and twist.
Out and twist.
And back.
Back.
All right, let's add the step slide. Show me. Say step slide.
Step slide.
Back punch, twist. Hiya.
Hiya.
Step slide.
Step slide.
Back punch, twist. Hiya.
Hiya.
Ready? Step slide.
Step slide.
Back punch, twist. Hiya.
Hiya.
One more. Step slide.
Step slide.
Back punch, twist. Hiya.
Hiya.
Hustle back. Yes, Sensei?
Yes, Sensei.
A little faster. You guys ready to go faster?
Yes, Sensei.
You guys ready to go faster?
Yes, Sensei.
Let's do it. Here we go. Ready? Show me the back punch first. Ready? Back punch. Hiya.
Hiya.
Step slide. Back punch. Hiya.
Hiya.
Step slide. Back punch. Hiya.
Hiya.
Step slide. Back punch. Hiya.
Hiya.
One more. Step slide. Back punch. Hiya.
Hiya.
Hustle back. Yes, Sensei.
Yes, Sensei.
All right, now we're going to be adding in the front kick. The front kick we'll be kicking is with the right leg. Are you guys ready? Yes, Sensei.
Yes, Sensei.
It's important again to fold and refold the kick to get snapped. Also, so you can kick again. Here we go. Let's just do the front kick first. So we're just going to lift that knee up with the right leg, snap that leg out. Show me front kick. Hey-ya.
Hey-ya.
All right, now let's add the step slide. Show me step slide, front kick. Hey-ya. Hey-ya. Step slide, front kick. Hey-ya. Hey-ya. Step slide, front kick. Hey-ya. Let's go back. Yes, Sensei.
Yes, Sensei.
All right, one more time, a little fast. You guys ready to go faster?
Yes, Sensei.
Ready. Show me just your front kick. Ready, front kick. Ha!
Hi-ya.
Ready to go. Step side front kick. Ha! Step side front kick. Ha! Step side front kick. Ha! Hustle back. Yes, Sensei.
Yes, Sensei.
One more time. Let's do it one more time, a little faster. Ready, go. Step side front kick. Ha! Go. Step side front kick. Ha! Go. Step side front kick. Ha! All right, give yourselves a big hand. You guys are doing awesome. Woo! Nice. Okay, next, it's time for the workout wheel. Okay, you guys go ahead and grab the workout wheel.
Yes, Sensei.
Remember, it's important to always get fit, stay fit, never quit. Everybody say it with me. Say, get fit,
Get fit.
stay fit,
Stay fit.
never quit.
Never quit.
You guys out there, stay with me. Ready? Say, get fit,
Get fit.
stay fit,
Stay fit.
never quit.
Never quit.
All right, here we go. Time to spin the wheel. Tristan, you gonna spin that wheel for me? All right. Round and round it goes. First up, nobody knows. Push-ups, all right. Let's do some push-ups. Put that wheel away. All right, time to do some push-ups. Now we're gonna try to do 10 push-ups. Remember, every time we do the workout wheel, every belt level, it's gonna get a little harder. So we're gonna start off with 10. I know some of us, it's our first time kind of working out. So we're gonna start a little bit slow. Now, if you need to do push-ups on your knees, that's totally fine. But let's make sure we're doing those push-ups. Let's try to get 10 of them out there. Are you guys ready? Yes, that's it.
Yes, Sensei.
So if you need to go on your knees, you can go on your knees. If not, go on your feet. Try to keep that back straight. Here we go. I'm going to say down, up, and you say one Sensei. Are you guys ready? Yes, Sensei?
Yes, Sensei.
Ready? Down, up. Say one Sensei.
One Sensei.
Down, up. Two
Sensei.
Sensei. Down, up.
Three Sensei.
Down, up.
Four Sensei.
Down, up.
Five Sensei.
Down, up.
Six Sensei.
Down, up.
Seven Sensei.
Down, up.
Eight Sensei.
Down, up.
Nine Sensei.
Down, up.
10 Sensei.
All right, give yourselves a big hand. Good job. Okay, next, what we'll be doing is the skill drill. It's important to be a good martial artist to make sure we do a skill drill that works on your reaction time and your focus. The skill drill we'll be doing today is called dizzy kicks. Make sure you have lots of room. What we're going to be doing is we're going to spin in a circle 3 times really fast, and then we're going to do 10 squat kicks. This is going to help us with our focus. So a squat kick is we bend your knees, we stand back up, and we kick. And then down, and we kick. That'll be 2. And then down, 3. All right? So we're going to spin 3 times, and then we're going to do 10 squat kicks. These are called dizzy kicks. Are you guys ready?
Yes, Sensei.
Are you guys ready?
Yes, Sensei.
I can't hear you. Are you guys ready?
Yes, Sensei.
All right, here we go. Let's do it. I'm going to say go. We're going to spin 3 times to the left, and then I want you to do 10 squat kicks. Are you guys ready?
Yes, Sensei.
Here we go. Ready, go. Spin 3 times. 1, 2, 3, go. 10 squat kicks. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, we got that looking good. One more time. Let's do that one more time, all right? This time, instead of spinning 3 times, we're going to spin 5 times and then do those 10 squat kicks. Are you guys ready? Yes, Sensei.
Yes, Sensei.
5 spins this time. Here we go. Get ready. 5 spins. Ready, go. Spin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, go. 10 squat kicks. 1, 2, 3. You guys doing good. 5, 6, come on. 7, 8, 9, 10. You guys are awesome. Nice job, guys. Looking good. Okay, so we're getting close to the end of this lesson, and here's what you'll be learning in the next lesson. So the next lesson, what we're going to be doing is our step slides, both left and right, and we're going to be doing those beginner style. Every show me got attention. Good. Turn your foot. Guardian stance, left, loud, higher. So beginner style, every show me say step slide, step slide, front punch, higher. And then turn the opposite direction, loud, higher. Show me step slide, front punch, higher. Turn the other way, higher. Now, advanced style is a little bit different. That's going to make it faster. So instead of going step, slide, and then punching, we're going to actually make it a little bit more advanced by going step and punch, and then sliding up. So instead of being 3 steps, instead of going 1, 2, 3, we're actually going to be going 1, punching on the 1, and then sliding up, along with a few other things. So that's going to be advanced style. So the next lesson, we're going to be doing beginner style, basics left and right with your step slides. And now that we've finished white belt lesson number 3, here's what to do next. Number 1, click the subscribe button so you can get our complete video library in order. Number 2, click on the notification so that you're notified each time you get a new video. Number 3, take your karate chop, hiya, and chop that like button because YouTube loves likes and so don't we. Next, please go ahead and ask us any questions or make comments you have as we check those daily. And next, click on the link below in the description that says tryfreekarate.com. Once again, tryfreekarate.com. That's going to explain to you all the benefits of being a member and how to get certified and ranked towards your black belt. And last but not least, go ahead and start training with white belt lesson number 4. All right, let's bow out. Here we go. Show me class attention. Good. Bow courtesy. Back up. Well, I'm the Cyber Sensei. Behind me is my Cyber Sensei family, and we can't wait to train with you with white belt lesson number 4. Ready? Show me bow courtesy. Ready? 1, clap. Everybody say Cyber Sensei.